So today's topic is for my small business owners, and it's how to prepare your finances as a new business. I want to help you guys out. So what I did was kind of create an outline on what I think are the important topics where you should hit and what can help you become organized from the very beginning. Because whether you're a new business owner or more seasoned business owner, you need to have your finances in order to be able to build a successful business and to be able to create wealth. Let's go ahead and get started. So step one of the outline is going to be to open a business bank account. Now you're going to want to open a business bank account because you want to separate your personal income or your personal expenses from your business income or your business expenses. You need to have that in place so that you can be able to count every dollar that's made and every dollar that's spent. Number two, I want you to review your business structure. Your business structure is going to have a lot to do with how you file your taxes. So you want to make sure that your business structure is going to correlate with how you're going to file your taxes this upcoming tax season, because that's a very important part of managing your finances correctly. You can't manage your finances without knowing what is going to be due to Uncle Sam at the end of the year. Three, you're going to need to get organized because you're going to need to organize yourself. That's the whole reason between separating accounts and separating income. Now you may ask me, well Carmen, how am I going to get organized? You're going to get organized by downloading a software, something that can help you track your business expenses or your business income. There's a lot of apps out there, applications or softwares that you can use. One of the most common ones is QuickBooks. Now QuickBooks is a little bit more expensive. Let's talk about some of the more economical ones. We have Xero, X-E-R-O. We have Wave apps. Those are some of the other common apps that may be more within your budget. You definitely need to, whether you download a software or download an app on your phone, you definitely need to have some type of guidance when it comes to organizing your business income and your expenses, because that's going to help you properly manage your finances. How can you manage your finances if you don't know exactly how much money you're spending, or if you don't know exactly how much money is coming in? Four, you're going to create a budget. Now, a budget is very important because I need you to be realistic with your goals. I need you to understand what exactly is it that I'm trying to do. What exact dollar amount do I need to spend? I need you to understand what your startup expenses are going to be. So I need you to come up with a budget. Even if it's a rough draft and you have to erase it all over and start again, you have something to build off of. So in that budget, I'm going to need you to include a couple things. Startup costs. Maybe you're going to be wholesaling or selling some type of merchandise. I need you to figure out a dollar amount on what you're going to have to purchase on inventory. I need you to understand how much you're going to need for your business. How much are you going to need for marketing? How much are you going to need to build an online presence? Maybe you need a website. Maybe you need some social media apps. I need you to understand what your business is going to take to actually get running up off the ground. What's your startup cost going to be? Is it going to be $5,000? Is it going to be $10,000? Is it going to be $1,500? I need you to build a budget out so that you can understand what you need to spend. Now, there are some budgets that are going to look like higher dollar amounts, and they may be in over your head. You can go ahead and build that budget, and even if it's too high for you to actually be able to afford, what can you do? At that point, you have some type of paperwork to bring on to present to a potential partner or a potential sponsor or a potential investor. There's a lot of things you can do, but let's go back to the basics. Build on that budget so you have something to work with to know what it's going to cost you to start this new business of yours. That's very important. Even if the budget doesn't go as planned 100%, it's very important that you have something to work off of so that you can start your new business venture, and most importantly, so your new business venture can be successful. Now, number 5. Decide who's going to do your bookkeeping. As your business grows, you're going to get calls, inquiries, you're going to have invoices you're sending out to your customers or potential customers or clients. You're going to need to track all these things. So starting off when business is slow, yes, you could probably do your own bookkeeping. But now as business starts growing, do you think your efforts should go to bookkeeping? No, of course they shouldn't. With a lot of these apps, they have third-party outsourced referrals. So you can hire someone from the actual software itself, like a QuickBooks have in-house bookkeeping, or you can outsource yourself on another third-party freelance website. You can find someone to outsource to your bookkeeping work, or you can even grab an intern, maybe an accounting intern, and have them help you with your bookkeeping. There's a lot of different options when it comes to hiring help or bringing on help to grow your team. Now, in order for you to build a successful business, you will eventually need to grow a team. Yes, you cannot do it all on your own. You cannot run all roles on your own. Number 6, let's talk about taxes. I think that you guys should also open a separate account for your taxes. Depending on your business structure, you're going to want to save 20 to 30% of your business income, and you're going to want to put that aside for your taxes. At some point, you're going to need to pay Uncle Sam, and you're going to need to understand that in order to build wealth, you are going to want to pay taxes. Because eventually, as your business grows, when you need to start looking for funding sources or looking for investors or capital, they're going to want to see some type of tax returns to show. You're going to need to have some type of proof to show that your business is actually making money, or that there's potential in your business to actually make money. Number 7, business credit. So lastly, for the outline, one thing I'm going to need you guys to do is to understand that all businesses have business credit. This is something that most entrepreneurs don't know, and especially ones starting out. So as you're starting to plan your finances for your business, one thing I'm going to tell you guys that you guys should do is go on DunandBradstreet.com, register for an account, and apply for a free DUNS number. Now that DUNS number is going to help you to start building up your business credit. A lot of you may say, well, hey, I don't even have personal credit. Why should I build my business credit, or what's the point? Now, I know a lot of you may have messed up when it comes to your personal credit, and you're going to want to fix that over time. You're going to need to fix that over time. But one of the most important things you can do is start establishing a business credit score under your company. Because as your company grows, when you need to start looking for funding or other capital resources, you're going to need that business credit. So, on number 7, last but not least on our outline, we're going to go ahead and create an account on DunandBradstreet.com, and we're going to apply for a free DUNS number. That DUNS number is going to be issued to us within 30 to 45 days. From then, we're going to go and apply for some vendor accounts. Some of the vendor accounts that we can get right away are going to be Quill, Granger, Uline, just to name a few. But Quill is an office supply vendor account. So do you think there's some things we can use there for our startup businesses? Of course there is. So we're going to start building our business credit along with our finances all together in order, because once we're ready, that's going to give us a jump start when it comes to trying to access capital or access funding. So I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming to you guys about small businesses and entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship, and I want to help you guys. So I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Not only that, I want you guys to leave me a comment. Did this video help you understand how to prep your business, how to prep your finances correctly or successfully? We all want to build successful businesses. So let's start today by actually creating this outline or writing down this outline in our notebooks so that we can start to have a healthy business. Healthy finances equal a healthy business, which then can leverage and become a successful business. So we definitely want to get that done. So for those of you that may not know me, my name is Carmen Mohan. Like, subscribe, share this video, send me a comment. You have any questions regarding any of the information I just gave you in this video, reach out to me, drop me a comment, send me a DM. I'll answer all your questions. May even turn your question into a video. So until next time, guys, bye-bye.